If you want to start investing in real estate without buying property directly, Fundrise is a great platform to consider. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Fundrise for beginners step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to invest and grow your money using this platform. First, go to the Fundrise website and create an account. Click on the sign up button and enter your basic details like your name, email, and password. Once you've signed up, verify your email address to activate your account. Next, complete your investor profile. Fundrise will ask you a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. This helps the platform recommend the right investment plan for you. After that, choose an investment plan. Fundrise offers different options based on your goals, such as income, balanced, or growth-focused plans. Select the one that best matches your strategy. Now, fund your account. You can add money using your bank account. Fundrise usually has a minimum investment requirement, so make sure to meet that amount before proceeding. Once your account is funded, Fundrise will automatically allocate your investment into different real estate projects. This may include residential, commercial, or mixed-use properties. You can track your investments through the dashboard. Here, you'll see your portfolio performance, returns, and updates on the properties you've invested in. Fundrise also provides regular updates and dividends depending on your investment plan. These earnings can be reinvested or withdrawn based on your preferences. It's important to understand that real estate investing is long-term. Your money may be locked in for a certain period, so plan accordingly. In this tutorial, we learned how to use Fundrise for beginners by creating an account, choosing an investment plan, funding the account, and tracking performance. This makes it easier to get started with real estate investing online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.